Hello everyone. Let's dive into the UANTIN 4K DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. If you're looking to connect your PC, laptop, or graphics card to an HDMI display, this 10-pack of adapters might just be what you need. First impressions are solid. The braided cable feels durable, and the gold-plated connectors add a touch of premium quality. This adapter supports 4K UHD at 30 Hz, which delivers crisp and detailed visuals. It's also backward compatible with 1440p at 60 Hz and 1080p at 120 Hz, offering flexibility for different monitor setups. One notable feature is the non-locking design of the DisplayPort plug. This is a thoughtful addition, as it prevents damage to your device when disconnecting the adapter. The 28 AWG copper core cable with multi-layer shielding ensures stable signal transmission, minimizing issues like screen flickering or audio-video desynchronization. The aluminum alloy construction adds to the adapter's overall durability. The UANTIN adapter is unidirectional, meaning it only works from DisplayPort male to HDMI female. It's plug-and-play, so no drivers or power supplies are needed. It is compatible with monitors from brands like Bank, Dell, HP, Acer, and Samsung, and works with DisplayPort-enabled graphics cards and GPUs. It's important to note that this is a passive adapter. If you plan to use it with a DP hub, docking station, or KVM switch, ensure your device supports DP++ or DisplayPort++. Without this support, the adapter may not function correctly. UANTIN offers a 24-month warranty, 24/7 customer service, and professional technical support. If you encounter any issues, their customer support team is available to assist you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.